Hello and welcome to Design Lab by Maryam. Today we'll learn how to make seamless pattern in Adobe Illustrator. I have kept a few elements which I'll use in making patterns. First we'll select all these elements, then go to Object from menu bar and click on Pattern, then Make. Here we'll adjust the size of the tile of a pattern. If we change the size without clipping the width and height, it will only change the specific area. Here you can see how the tile size is changing with change in size. If you want to change both width and height simultaneously, you have to press on Clip tool. We'll now adjust the size of the elements according to our product. Here I'll fix the tile's dimensions and will start adjusting my elements in the tile. We can also change the pattern visibility by adding and removing check from Dim Copies tool. If you want to change the repeat layout, click on the tile type. It will give you various options. It helps in creating straight and different types of half-drop repeat patterns. The repeat layout is changing with the change in tile type. The tile block visibility can also be fixed by clicking on the option of Show Tile. You can always choose your desired option to create beautiful final print. Here I am using Block by Row option for my pattern. Now I'll start placing the elements according to their sizes and shapes. To create cool pattern, we have to make sure the shapes and sizes in are harmony. Also keep in mind that the pattern is balanced from all sides. The tile acts a guide in creating print here. As we change the shape, angle, or its size, it will change it in all copies so you can see how the design will look if it is repeated on the final piece. We will place the elements on the suitable position. The distance between the elements should be balanced in pattern. If you feel that the gap is creating emptiness in design, include helping elements to add fullness. Here I am using small leaves between the bigger leaves as helping elements. This way we can create balanced layout with the inclusion of both small and big elements. We'll make sure our pattern feels complete by perfectly adjusting all elements. We can also repeat elements in same or different sizes while making seamless pattern. It is not necessary to create pattern in square shape. If you feel that the design will get better adjustment and look in rectangle shape, you can change its size while making the pattern. With difference in height, we've reduced the emptiness from the design. Now we'll fill up the gap by fitting the elements on the right space. We'll keep checking the right placement of an object until we feel that certain position is the right position for the particular element. We'll also make sure that objects are not placed in row. Such positions forms line in the patterns. Try giving the wavy look so no particular object will catch viewers' attention. After adjusting all the bigger elements in the rectangular tile, I'll start filling the empty spaces with small leafy elements to complete the look of the print. Avoid placing the similar shape near. Try using different angular objects even if you are using specific element. In this pattern, I am using leaves, but I have made sure to use different types of tropical leaves which get along together well. It depends on the final product. Our layouting is done. We'll now check how the final design looks. We can always make amendments by double-clicking on the design even after finishing it. The pattern shows up in Swatches dialog box. Here I am placing square shape to see final design. If you want to change size of pattern in the object, click right button on mouse, then press transform and then scale. It shows the dialog box. Here you can transform size of an object and pattern both, but here we only need transformation in pattern size, so we'll remove check from object box. If you want to change the colors of the pattern, you can use Recolor Artwork tool from top of the screen. This dialog box allows you to change the color of the pattern easily. With Advanced Option button, you can explore more options from the tool. This is the final look of our pattern. This can be used to beautify different products. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more print design techniques.